Hello everyone. I hope you have well understood the print and input functions of Python. If not, please watch the earlier episodes again and practice well. So, you know what's the most important school subject to develop a great program? Well, it's maths. Programming involves a lot of mathematics. If you are not a great fan of maths, don't worry. We will have many examples that will help you to get started. So, to perform maths, we need mathematicals or arithmetic operators like a plus b, that's addition, a multiplied by b, that's multiplication, and many more. In this session, we will study different arithmetic operators available in Python. The basic arithmetic operators that we used are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But Python has more important arithmetic operators. They are floor division operator, modulus operator, and the exponential operator. Let's see how they work. First, we will discuss the floor division operator. Suppose we have 11 balls and want to distribute among 4 friends. To distribute equally, we will do the division. We will get 2 as quotient and 3 as remainder. So, each friend will get 2 balls and 3 balls will remain with us. So, first we will write the program to calculate this. Declare 2 variables, balls and friends. Initialize them with value 11 and 4 respectively. Now, we will divide the balls by friends and store the result in the ball underscore distributed variable. Then, we will print the ball underscore distributed result using a print statement like this. Let's execute the program. Here, we got the output 2.75. But that's not possible. To resolve this, we will make a small modification. We will change the slash operator by double slash like this. Run the program again. Well, we got the expected output as 2. This is because of the double slash operator. This is called as floor division operator. In simple words, we can say that when we are just interested in the quotient without decimal and we only want integers, we will use the floor division operator. After distributing the balls to 4 friends, we also want to know how much balls are remaining with us. For that, we have percent operator. It is called as modulus operator in Python. We will add one line to our program which will say ball underscore remaining equal to balls percentage friends. Let's print the result like this. Now we will run the program. Well, we got the required output because of the modulus operator. The percent operator is called a modulus operator. It gives the remainder on division of 2 numbers. In simple word, the floor division operator is used to get the quotient without decimal and the modulus operator is used to get the remainder. Now, we will learn about one more operator that is called as exponential operator. Suppose we want to find 4 raised to 3. We will use an exponential operator. Let's write the code. Here we will write x equal to 4 asterisk asterisk 3. Run the code. Well, we got the right output. So, Python provides basic mathematical operators and few additional mathematical operators. This is the complete list. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and then exponential. Hope you got a basic understanding of arithmetic operators. We will use all this in lot of example in the coming sessions. Thanks for watching.